Hi guys, comment nou ye, c'est Daphne, say hi. L'école la gen, and so tout moun a fait devoir, nou pa ka ale. C'est comme ça nous fait. Mais travail. Okay? Ap travail. Right, D?
Right.
Say hello.
Hi.
Do you know what this is? I need help. Comment down below and tell me what's this answer. I'm already gonna answer it, but I'm gonna see if you know.
Okay.
And only third graders, no fourth graders, no fifth graders, no high schoolers, no middle schoolers, just third graders.
Alright. So guys, nou nan l'école la toujou, tel ap travail. Apre sa l'prat sou tableau, et puis that's it. Alright guys. Oh, sorry. The way ruined it.
Hey guys, we're gonna prank Miss Mom. So this is a little bitty stuff.
Not
She doesn't. She's gonna like it, and I'm gonna hide it somewhere.
Then she said,
And
Where
then
is
I'm gonna hide it back there. And then I'm gonna prank Mom. Okay, that's good. And then when Mom said, "Where's my stuff?" And then she said, "I'm like, I don't know. Where is it?
we need to poo.
And then we're gonna prank my mom.
I can see.
She's coming.
She's coming right now. Get places, everyone.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, baby. Ready?
Ready?
It's okay.
Where's your wet stuff?
But what?
Your white camera thing.
I don't know what I did with it. You recording? For your channel? Okay. Sit down.
Mommy, did you lose your thing?
I got it.
Where is it?
I've placed it over here, friend.
But where is it?
What do you mean, where is it?
You left it right there. So where is it?
She don't know where is it.
What do you mean, Taylor? I left it right there.
But if it's left it right there, where did you place it then?
It's right here. You had it. Before.
Did with it?
Let's
I don't know what I did with it.
Let's get ready for the big surprise.
Seatbelt on, please.
Can I get ready for a big surprise? Though?
Seat belt on, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Dwayne? Do you know where it is?
Yep. Underneath.
Dwayne! Ruined my video.